Hi guys, and welcome to the first video underneath the new name. So yeah, today it's just going to be a little tutorial, if you want to change your interior lights. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, let's get straight into the video. Give it a thumbs up as well. So first I'm just going to take the cover off, which for that you just need your little plastic tool. I've already done this previously, so it should be easy enough to come off. And just pull off, and then see the bulb in there. I'm just going to change that. See, that's what it looks like now. I'm just going to be fitting these ones in. Slight little different colour, but not a lot of difference. Just take that one out. Just put the new one straight in. Put it in the other way though, so it works. And there we go, job done. It's time to just fit the plastic cover back over the top of it. That's good enough. Let's test it one more time. It looks a little bit more orange than what it was, so let's move on to the back one. As you can see, there is a bit of a difference, to be fair. So yeah, you're just basically doing the same as what you did on the front. Just take the plastic cover off and you will see the bulb in there. To be honest, I think it looks better without it. Make sure you turn that off. Don't want to get electrocuted. I think with the chrome on it, it actually looks better than that horrible plastic bit on it. So yeah, you're just doing the same really. Take the bulb out and put a new one in, and then make sure you've put it in the right way. There you go, job done. And just time to fit the plastic cover back on it, which with one hand it can be a little bit of a bugger. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll just fit it off camera. So yeah, I've got it on now, it's all clipped back into place. Just clip that corner in. So yeah, that's it. Short and sweet really. I was going to do the glove box one, but no one's ever going to see it, so there's no point. But yeah, easy, quick job, to be fair. So I will show you when it is night. Probably be able to see it a bit better then. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the short video. And don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.